3-bed, 2-bath immaculate ranch in Wyndsong Subdivision is better than new. The panoramic views of the Great Smoky Mountains from the front porch are breathtaking. Step into the great room, with coffered ceiling dining area. The kitchen boasts upgraded appliances, eat-in area and a mud/laundry room to the 2-car garage. The newly screened back porch looks out on farmland. The backyard has a dry creek bed feature, a pergola for a grill area and perennial beds that will delight you all. Season.Oversized master/ensuite has a vaulted ceiling and amazing views.Guest bedrooms are generous in size with ample storage. Additional features: hardscaping, landscaping, garden shed, raised beds, backup generator and panel. Gas hookup for potential gas fireplace in living room.